my name is Mattias Abrahamsson. I am chair of PSB1, which is the scientific ballooning panel. It's development of the technology and instrumentation.
And hello, I'm Vincent Dubourg. I'm the head of balloon project at CNES in France, and I will be the MSO for the Florence 2026 assembly of PSB1 and balloons.
So the PSB1 is intended to go through what we've done in operations, in instrumentation, how technology works with ballooning, which is a means for science, I would say. We have in the panel, we don't do a lot of science presentations because it's mainly what to make science happen. So how gondolas are built, how detectors are built, how the balloons are flying, what we are planning to do for the next couple of years. We do national reports, what CNES has done, NASA has done. I'm from SSC, the Swedish Space Corporation, what we are doing, JAXA from Japan, India. Everyone is telling what they're doing and what they're supposed to do in the future.
We can also speak about the new challenges like the reuse of hydrogen, in particular for Europe operators of balloons and the US. And also we would like to know what are the requirements, the new missions that the scientists need from the balloons. Plus we will deal with the opening of new launch sites like the one in Brazil in equatorial regions and so on.
So the balloons, anything you want to fly between, I would say, 15 kilometers altitude up to almost 50 kilometers. Right now we have a NASA balloon flying at around 45. It was launched from Sweden. It's flying over transatlantic, going to land in Canada in a couple of days. Anything from a couple of kilograms for the really small balloons up to maybe a couple of tons. I think the heaviest payload right now flying is 3,500 kilograms. And then doing long duration flights or shorter flights, depending on what you do, drop tests, testing parachutes for landers, testing pretty much anything from the technology side, but also, of course, doing science flights. That's to be done on balloon.
Yes, and maybe to crown it all, we can also say that the balloons are a good tool to train the new generation of scientists and engineers. So a very good tool for educational matters. We can also propose the kind of this kind of field to the audience.
So if you're interested in what we can do for you, just contact us at PSB1. For when it comes to really small balloon, there's another PSB which is called PSB2, which is low-cost ballooning, which is mainly for developing countries, but also for real science being done, but at a cheaper level, I would say. The really big balloons are quite expensive, but these smaller balloons, rubber balloons, I would say, but also small plastic balloons. And that's another panel called PSB2, but we are working quite tight together. But if you want to know anything, contact either me, Vincent, for when it comes to the Florence symposium, or we have Sandip Chakrabarti from India, who will run the PSB2 part.
Okay, yeah, go balloons, go.
Yeah.